Hi friends, this is Carissa and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Inky Fairy Designs. Today I have a special unboxing for you. You can see it's from the Greeting Farm, and I have loved the Greeting Farm ever since I started stamping 10 years ago now, and I was really excited when they decided to do these mixed mystery boxes. So it's a mystery box. It is not a subscription box. So it's not something that you signed up for and you're going to get every month. It was a pre-order only, and you could pre-order the box and then it would ship out a few weeks later after the pre-order ended. And so the pre-order for this box was in May, and they've already started shipping them, which is amazing. So you didn't even have to wait that long to get your box. So mine came today, and I wanted to show you how cute the box is. So you can see the little Anya character peeking through, and then some of the mermaids and fairies and unicorns, which I just love. And the little critters here, I love saying hello, and it's just a cute box. So I want to tell you a little bit. Like I said, it was a pre-order. So if you did not see that these were going on, that the Greeting Farm was doing a mystery box and you missed out on the pre-order, I'm so sorry, but you can go to thegreetingfarm.com, sign up for the newsletter, and that way, if you like what is in this box, when the next mystery box becomes available for pre-order, you will not miss out. You'll get that notification in the email, and you will know and be able to get in on the next box. So the box itself was $39.95, and there's way more value in here with product. They did tell you, while you didn't know what exactly stamp sets you were going to get, you did know that you were going to get 2 4x6 clear stamp sets, 3 3x4 clear stamp sets, 1 exclusive digital image, 1 jumbo clear sticker, and 1 coordinating sticker sheet. So I'm guessing that will coordinate with the stamps that are in here. We're going to find out in just a second. And then a 20% off coupon. So if you don't want to see what's in the box, if you did pre-order this particular launch of the mystery boxes by the Greeting Farm, then you probably want to stop watching right now, because I am going to reveal what's in the box, and every box is the same. So if you pre-ordered the box in May, this is the box that you're going to get. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there. If you love surprises, and I love surprises, then you probably want to stop watching right now, and you can come back and watch if you want after you've done your own unboxing at home. But if you didn't get it, or if you don't mind finding out what's in a box while it's on its way to you, then let's go ahead and get opening. So like I said, if you want to get this box next time, if you missed out on the pre-order for this mystery box, go to thegreetingfarm.com, sign up for the newsletter. I will also have a link in the description box below. Oh, how cute it says thank you. And I don't know if you guys know, but Marie, the owner, does amazing lettering, and I think that's her lettering. So you open it up, and oh, that's awesome, because I was kind of worried about this, because you get an exclusive 20% off coupon on your next order. So not only do you get the value of what's in this box, you also get an exclusive 20% off on anything else that the Greeting Farm carries. So that's awesome right there. And it's emailed directly to you, so you can find it also on your online account. If you sign up with the Greeting Farm and have an account there, you can find it there. So good. I'm worried. I was worried I was going to have to like block it out. So it's here. Your mystery box is here. I love this. Oh my gosh, I wonder if this is like a sneak peek. It says, "Thanks so much for your love and support. Making this box for you was super fun. We hope you like it, Marie." So I love her. I know I'm going to like it. So here we go. We've got some filler in there. I'm going to go ahead and put this off to the side here. We have super cute little sticker that says The Greeting Farm to hold all of the tissue and all of the goodies that I'm so excited to see. So like I said, guys, this is your final warning. If you did order if you did pre-order the mystery box and you don't want to see what's inside, stop watching right now. But if you are excited to see what is in here, let's take a look. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, I absolutely adore her. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. So this is Anya, the girl who started it all, or the character who kind of, for me, started my love of their greeting farm. And so this is a sticker, and it's a, like she said, it's a clear sticker, so I can pop that on anything like a planner page or anything like that. And then we've got coordinating stickers. So I'm guessing there's going to be some stamps with these cute little hats. I hope you can see. I absolutely love the fox and the unicorn and the owl. I love them all. And you've got a nice variety of little girls and little boys, and it's called Happy Hats, and it's so cute. And these would also be great in your planners or anywhere you like to put stickers. So we've got that. Okay, so we have our 3x4 stamps here. An awesome set of hand lettered. Like I said, Marie is an amazing letterist. I guess that's what you would call it. Letterer. I don't know. She hand letters amazing. She's so good at it. I am in awe of it. And if you want to follow her lettering account, I'll actually put a link to it in my description box below. And so this is some of her lettering. And we've got hello, smile, big hugs. I love that. Thank you, best wishes, and love you. So these are all occasion perfect for those anytime cards. So we've got that. It's called lettered. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm sorry. I'm so excited. And this is a live, like I'm filming this. You're seeing the first reaction. And this is a cheeky tat. I love the cheeky line. I know I'm not the only one who's been begging for more cheeky girls, but she's amazing. And look, most of the cheeky stamps in the past, if you guys are fans of the Greeting Farm, were like in sitting positions. And she's standing with her leg kicked back, and she's got a cute little heart tattoo and a rose tattoo. And these are just like throwbacks, in my opinion, to like the 50s. And so she's got her little soda there, so cute, and it says tats, so sweet. Oh my gosh, so punny. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I can't wait to tell Marie how much I love this box. And then we've got bubbles, Anya. So like this coordinates with the sticker, so you can see. I love this because this gives you like a great inspiration jump off for your coloring. If you want, you can color and use these for, you know, to spark your own coloring. So it says your bubbles of joy. So cute. She's blowing some bubbles, and she's got little bubbles there. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. So those are our 3x4 stamp sets. And now we have our 4x6 stamps, which are so cute. Okay, so cute kitties. These are adorable. If you love little like critter stamps, the Greeting Farm always knocks it out of the park, in my opinion, with their critters, and they're very unique. They don't look like anything else out there, which is something that I love a ton about the Greeting Farm. And so you've got like 4 little kitties, you've got some accessories, how ya feline, fur you, best friends, meow, and forever. Oh my gosh, these are going to make some adorable little cards. So that's our first 4x6. And then yes, like the box said and promised, we have a coordinating sticker sheet. So here's the Happy Hats stamp set that coordinates with the sticker sheet that we got. And these are adorable. These are like the little smaller size stamp sets. So you can see these are like the larger stamps, and then we've got the smaller ones. These are great for like planners and note cards. You could put a ton of these on a regular size card and make like a cute little scene. So you have all of the hats, and then you have all of the little cute little sayings. So hoot, foxy, fun, hugs, perfect, and kawaii. I hope I'm saying that right. And so yeah, so in a nutshell, we have our mystery box, which has all of this amazing goodies in it. So I'm going to put the box off to the side, and I'm going to show you guys what you get. So you get your 2 4x6 stamp sets. You get your 3 3x4 stamp sets. So you get in total 5 stamp sets in this mystery box, and that's an amazing value to me. I love it because there's a mix and match of all of my favorite characters, some critters, the beans, the Anya that we all love, and then I'm so excited to have a new Cheeky to color. And then you also get your coordinating sticker sheet, which coordinates with the Happy Hat stamp set, and then your jumbo sticker, which is a clear sticker, so you could put that literally anywhere, and so cute. So yeah, and then you also get 20% off your next order. Oh, and there's a digi. So it should go to you in your email, or maybe it's in your account when you log into the greeting farm. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to color up all of these stamps. So check out if you like these. Definitely, if you didn't get on this pre-order, please go to thegreetingfarm.com, sign up for the newsletter. You won't miss out on the next one. It's an incredible value. I love everything in it. And if you love the Greeting Farm, or if you're new to the Greeting Farm and you love this style of stamps, you will not be disappointed. I promise you. I love it. I'm so excited. And I think I'll probably have to color up her first. So I'll have a video soon coloring her. Actually, in the description box, if you guys would let me know if you'd like me to use Copics or watercoloring, let me know what you'd like to see on my channel with my coloring for this girl, and I will make that happen for you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe to my channel. I do watercoloring, I do mixed media, and I also color and make cards. So I love all the things, and I love to share that with you. And I appreciate every one of you. So thank you again for stopping by. Until next time, stay inspired, be creative, and share that with others. Bye.